Today I just received my shavers blade replacement. Come with oil and oil here. And this is my blade. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. This is for my Pitbull silver shaver. Okay. Okay, let me take it out. It is instructions to oil it, so you might want to pause and capture this screen here. Okay. I don't know, but once a month we're supposed to oil it. I guess I never did it on my old shaver. Maybe that's why it's getting dull. Anyway, you should oil it with, similar oil here, lubricant oil. Also, this plug is needed when you take shower with it, okay? So, again, it's a good point to prevent water from going in. Actually, I never use it, but, it seems to be okay. But to keep your shaver last longer, definitely, or, preventing electrical shock. It's not gonna, hurt you, but it might damage the unit. Just remove it. This is what it looks like. So this is the whole unit. I know some seller just sell the individual blades here, but I just get the whole thing here. Let's see how it goes. First, you're gonna remove the old head here. Just hold on to this, and then twist it to the left. Here you go, and then it should come off. Okay, here you go. And then you're gonna put in the new one here. Same thing, you put it in. Okay, make sure it's go in, and then you I think you just twist it a little bit to the right. Okay, and it's staying there tight. And then I'm gonna try shave it. Wow, a lot smoother. Again, don't forget to lubricate it, once a month. You can actually clean it or rinse it with water after each use. Anyway, feel pretty good. Much, again, with the old one, if you oil it, this one lasts me a long time. It still works, but it's just a little dull. Anyway, here you go. This is how you, purchase a new head. You can actually replace individual blade here, like you said, but I haven't. There's another video, that I can show you how to do that. Actually, let me show you how to do that. Right here, pop out the top part here, just gently. Okay, here you go, like so. And then you can remove this white part here. You're gonna turn this way, counterclockwise. Remove this part here, and then here, just place your finger here. You can clean individual blade here. Okay, you might want to do this after each use. So, and then put it back, and then put this guy back here. Turn it clockwise. Keep it in place. So like, oops, just a little turn here, and put it back like so. Okay, here you go. Hope it helps. We'll see you folks on the next video. I'll put down the link here, my affiliation link here down below if you want to purchase the whole thing here. I think it's like 20 bucks. I'm not sure. I'll put the link down below. And so far so good. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. Please comment. Anything here. So I have this for maybe a few years. So it's time to replace it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you folks in the next video. Take care.